Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a cozy autumn delight. We have a fall surprise you won't want to miss. We created the most delicious pumpkin cake ever. Get ready for a remarkable experience. You won't want to miss it. Are you excited to begin? Let's dive in. Let's gather our ingredients. We'll need flour, sugar, pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, eggs, oil, spices, and oh, don't forget the baking soda and salt. They're the hidden gems that elevate every dish. Have all your essentials? Perfect. All right, folks, get ready to unleash your creativity. It's time to jump into the fun and start mixing it up. All right, everyone, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive in. Whisk together the flour, sugar, spices, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. Ensure that all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. After all, nobody enjoys biting into a clump of plain flour. Mix the pumpkin puree, eggs, and oil in a separate bowl. Get ready to whisk it up. Let's create a luscious, creamy blend that's smooth as silk. You've got this. Gradually add the wet and dry ingredients, ensuring a seamless blend. Combine all the ingredients gently until they're just blended. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to a tough cake. Look at that, it's as easy as pie. Our batter is now ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees 175 degrees for a perfectly rising cake. Delicious baking magic is on the way. Grease and flour a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Cover every corner and edge. This will create a non-stick surface that helps the cake release quickly once it's baked. Proper pan preparation is essential to ensure your cake comes out perfectly. A meticulously greased or lined pan is the key to effortless cake release. No one enjoys a crumbled disaster. A cake that sticks can spoil your presentation and complicate serving. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Use a spatula to ensure the batter reaches all corners and is level. Gently tap the pan on the counter several times to eliminate air bubbles. This crucial step helps ensure your cake rises ideally without large holes, leading to a flawless result. Get ready to elevate your baking game. We aim to craft a stunningly even cake that's a joy to bake and a feast for the eyes. A flawlessly smooth surface ensures your cake bakes evenly and adds that exceptional professional finish it deserves. Let's transform your cake into the ultimate centerpiece that steals the spotlight. Pop that pan in the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on it towards the end of the baking time. Whip up some frosting while baking your cake to golden perfection. It's the highlight of the treat and can elevate it to new heights of deliciousness. Let's get creative. First, let me share when I forgot to add sugar to my cake batter. Can you believe it? It turned out to be a disaster waiting to happen. Fortunately, I noticed it in time. Always sample your batter if you have any doubts. Everyone, make it a habit to double-check your ingredients. A tiny error can result in significant issues later. Let's dive back into our cake adventure. Monitoring the baking is crucial to avoid overcooking. The aroma is delightful, but we want it to be perfectly fluffy and moist. After baking, allow the cake to cool completely in the pan before frosting. This step is crucial. Cooling helps the cake set, making frosting easier. Frosting a warm cake can be chaotic. The heat causes the frosting to melt and slide off, ruining your hard work. Let your cake cool completely before frosting for a beautiful and delicious result. Patience pays off. Remember, a beautifully frosted cake doesn't just happen. It takes patience and dedication. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's dive into everyone's favorite part, the frosting. Pause for excitement. We're creating a timeless cream cheese frosting that beautifully complements the rich flavors of pumpkin. It's like peanut butter and jelly. Beat together softened cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until light and fluffy. You can adjust the amount of powdered sugar to your liking. Do you prefer a sweeter taste? Just add a bit more. Once your cake has cooled to perfection, it's time to indulge. Slather it generously with our luscious cream cheese frosting for a delightful treat. Spread it evenly and make it pretty. Perfecting the frosting technique elevates your pumpkin cake to a velvety masterpiece. Get ready because we're about to take the final step in transforming your creation into something truly irresistible. Have you ever stopped to think about how rarely we celebrate the art of cake decorating? As we transform this pumpkin cake, we unlock our imagination and bring it to life with stunning frosting swirls. Each scoop and swirl turns it into a masterpiece that's just as beautiful to look at as it is to eat. Let's make this cake an actual work of art. Unleash your creativity and transform your ideas into something truly extraordinary. Sprinkle some chopped pecans or walnuts on top for a crunchy texture. Or how about a drizzle of caramel sauce? Yum! Why not take your creations to the next level with exciting piping techniques? Get ready to impress with your artistry. You can make swirls, rosettes, or even write a message. Endless possibilities. Keep in mind that decorating is all about personal expression. There is no single correct approach. Dive into the thrill and savor every second. Let yourself fully immerse in the experience and have an unforgettable time. Calling all pumpkin enthusiasts. The moment you've been eagerly anticipating is finally here. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Cutting and serving our pumpkin delight. Indulge in a luscious slice of that exquisite pumpkin cake, relishing each bite as the moist cake melts in your mouth, perfectly complemented by the smooth, creamy frosting. The delightful blend of warm spices evokes an irresistible sense of autumn joy. Treat yourself to this delectable cake while you relax with a warm cup of coffee or tea, especially during those refreshing autumn days. An excellent combination is just around the corner. It's an ideal choice for enjoying with friends and family. Get ready for everyone to be clamoring for the secret recipe. You're in for a treat. Enjoy every delicious moment. Hey food lovers! Ready to elevate your creations? Infusing unique twists can turn any recipe into a masterpiece. Let's transform a simple pumpkin cake and make it your own. Unleash your inner chef with this pumpkin cake recipe. Start with a classic base and add your unique twist. Endless possibilities await. Consider your favorite flavors and textures to inspire your cake design. Add chocolate chips, crunchy nuts, or tangy dried cranberries to enhance your cake. These additions will elevate the flavor and texture, transforming your creation into something extraordinary. Explore a world of flavors by experimenting with spices like ginger, cardamom, or allspice. Each spice adds a delightful twist to your cake, making every bite a surprise. Let your creativity shine and enjoy the adventure. Unleash your creativity with frosting. Experiment with brown butter, maple cream cheese, or classic whipped cream. Each frosting adds unique flavor and texture to elevate your cake. Dive in and enhance your baking game. Let your taste buds guide you. Embrace experimentation and enjoy the adventure of baking. Savor every moment. Autumn brings warmth and enchantment, perfect for cozy sweaters, seasonal colors, and delightful flavors. Can you feel the tantalizing aroma of warm spices drifting through the air? We're talking cinnamon, nutmeg, and of course, pumpkin spice. There's no better way to embrace autumn than with a mouth-watering pumpkin delight. Is there anything more delightful than a rich, delectable pumpkin cake? This dessert is perfect for cozy evenings and festive gatherings, and will bring a smile and warmth to any occasion. Put on your aprons, everyone. It's time to whip up a pumpkin cake to elevate you to the Star Baker title this season. Well, there you have it, everyone. Who knew whipping up a delicious pumpkin cake could be this simple? Get ready to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. Thank you for watching. We want to see your extraordinary pumpkin cake creations. Share your delicious masterpieces with us on social media and tag us. Let's spread the pumpkin love together. Hey there. If you're enjoying the content, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world. And while you're at it, we can't wait to hear what other mouth-watering desserts you want us to dive into next. Until then, let the baking adventures begin. Happy baking!